We need the expertise around stock options in the planning, period. It's complicated, it's complex, and being able to sit down with strategists that can help us think, a few years ahead is critical. I also think on the investment side, so many people that I talk to are just frustrated with what I call this fast food wealth management that's fed to us by some of these larger shops. I want to encourage people, call into John in their office, meet with them, ask them all the questions. Because when I went into our first conversation, I said, I want to go deep down the rabbit hole and understand alternatives. And I say this because you realize immediately, as somebody who I consider myself a professional only because I'm living off of my own income right now, but I've studied this a lot. And when you have somebody who is then teaching you and advancing that, I haven't found that a lot in the wealth management industry. And I know technology employees love to get into the details, love to answer this. So this is why, I'm advocating for people to just have conversations, have communications, and make their own decisions.